Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a very basic redstone sorting machine in vanilla Minecraft with vanilla redstone. This is the machine itself. As you can see, it's very simple. All you need are 2 redstone comparators, 2 pieces of redstone, 1 redstone repeater, 1 redstone torch, 2 hoppers, and 1 chest. The order of the hoppers is very important. This hopper must be facing towards this direction, and this hopper must be facing towards the chest. Now this machine works off of the redstone that is emitted from a hopper whenever items are in it. So this amount of items is allowing enough current to go through this block, this block, and this block. But one more item will turn on this redstone, which will then activate this repeater and turn off this torch. This torch is currently stopping the flow of this hopper. Now, if we were to put any more items in this, they would go through, they would add a redstone signal, turning on this, turning off this torch, allowing this to flow, and the items go into this chest, and the redstone torch goes back on, and it goes back down to 18. It's a very basic setup. Now I'm going to show you a more complex setup over here. As you can see, I have 2 hoppers this time. In this case, I'm using redstone and flowers. Now, I've made this a little bit more automated by adding rails to the top and a chest cart. And what will happen is when the chest cart goes over the hoppers, it will actually dispense the objects through the system down into these chests. So, push the cart, go back, come back down, stop, and as you can see, the objects are in the chest. Now, this may get a little tedious, having to push the cart every time it comes back, but I do have a solution for this. Over here, I have a very basic design to stop this problem, which will basically make it to where the chest will not stop until all the objects in it have emptied. It is very simple to make. You have a pressure rail, you have a comparator facing out towards it, towards a block. On that block, you have a redstone torch activating this piston, pushing forward any kind of object that can be used to stop a cart. I'm a dummy. I had one in my inventory the entire time. But if we were to put an object in here, that piston will retract, and every time it comes back, it'll retract, allowing the object to go back in, and it'll keep going until that object is out of that chest. Now, if we had a hopper below these rails, it would dispense through it, and it would do this. Stop right where it was. Now, I've combined the two into this hellacious machine. If you were to do it more properly than me, then you could easily make it look a little bit nicer, but it has a simple use. By the way, you must put a half step right here or your cart will fly right off. So we're just going to put blaze powder and melon through. And as you can see, we're getting it. This is nice if you want to do something like an ingredient sorting machine. Like you can just deposit all of your ingredients into this chest, walk away, go do whatever you want, and it will slowly but surely deposit all of your items through. You don't have to touch it, you just walk away. I hope that you've enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that you can use it in any of your Let's Plays. I hope that I've taught you a thing or two about redstone. My name is Killer Rook, and as always, have a nice day.